Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with a plan with me. I am hoping to do a talk through of the actual planning part, I think. I don't know. But I made an executive decision to skip 2 weeks of planning. I did just plan them by myself. If I remember, I'll show you those two spreads at the end, but I was just like, I don't know, I was just getting like behind, and sometimes it just gotta happen. So I am going to be using this kit here, which is called Spooky Night. It's such pretty Halloween art. And I am also going to be using two different foil bundles. These are exactly the same, but I am using the Bonfire Misfit Wiggle. I thought that this orange looked really cool with like the oranges in the kits. I do think that if you don't have Bonfire, that like copper or like orange soda would look really cool as well. And then I also pulled out this one, which is the Black Prism. This is in Star and this is in Twinkle. So I don't know like exactly what I'm gonna do yet. I might just use like some black items and like then do like Twinkle, like the full box overlays. I don't know. We'll see what I figure out, but this is what we're going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my base. And since I am using these as bougie, I will like prep that area. And then when I'm done, I will come back and possibly, hopefully talk to you guys. Okay, so I did pre-pull all my stickers and I actually did talk through these bits. I just felt like I was so rusty at like talking through planning. And I remember like actually previously I wasn't talking through the planning part, I was talking through the base, which maybe I need to switch back to because I feel like I like to kind of like lay down the actual like parts that take like my brain power and kind of just like listen to music or something. So I might just go back to doing that and talking through maybe the bass a little bit. I don't know, guys, but we're here again with kind of a voiceover plan with me. I'm sorry, this is where I'm at in life. So I love this spread. Let me just tell you, I think it's so cute. The purple and the orange and the like foil bundles that I use together. I just am honestly in love. I just think it's so pretty. So let's go into the plans. So we did take a little road trip this week. It's kind of like a little social distancing vacation. Yeah, it was really fun. And we just went to an Airbnb, kind of like a town-ish over with my in-laws and got some takeout food and just all hung out. And it was really fun and just kind of nice to get out of the house and see something different. And yeah, definitely not like the most wild thing ever, but we did something fun. So on Monday, I put in that Bennett and I watched Cars, and then we played outside. I had gotten some really good bug spray the week prior, so I have been able to go outside and not get a million mosquito bites. Why I didn't think about getting bug spray before, I don't know. I think we actually have bug spray. It's just like lost. So I was always like, oh yeah, I'll find it for like next time I go outside, and then I'd get a million bug bites and regret my life. Then I planned out my releases. I had to kind of like organize all of the foil that I have to release and things like that. And then we did watch a bunch of Disney Plus like animal documentaries. That's what Bennett's really into right now, is just watching. I don't know, they have a bunch of different ones. They had like an Animal Kingdom one that has like a couple new episodes, and we watched the other day it was like something like a zoo, that it was like Day at the Zoo or something like that. And it's all actually pretty interesting, so he's been really into those. He loves animals. And then I put in that we did get wigs for the boys, just like as a funny thing to do to take pictures. So I ordered some wigs. I don't remember where I ordered them, but they were like $5 to $7. I ordered 2, and it was the funniest thing in the world. And then I did buy a bunch of stuff online. I don't remember what I think this was the day that I bought some Disney like home decor items, and then we watched 90 Day. On Tuesday, I had terrible sleep, and then we did play outside because it was so nice out, and again, I had my bug spray. I did do some designing, and then I got a McFlurry, my favorite, and I did watch the debate, and I put a This Is Fine sticker from Paper Milk because I thought that it worked out perfectly. And then I put that I was in my feelings in the evening. Then on Wednesday, I did put in that we did sell our old house. It was where Nick's parents were living, and they recently got a house, so we did sell that house. And that was the day that we had to do like all of the like signing and stuff, and it was all online, which was really cool. Well, it was like online, but not, it was like really confusing, but like whatever. Then we took Bennett to my in-laws to sleep over, and then this day I wanted to finally put together a box that I've been trying to put together for forever, which is a baby box of kind of like things that I don't need anymore for Marg. Like, I don't know, there was just a bunch of different stuff that I was like meaning to send her for so long, but I was like, oh, I have time. And then the baby was born last week, and I was like, I actually don't have time. And I also did get a box together for Kitten Justice Day, but it wasn't, that was all like all ready to go, but like getting the box together for Marg was like an actual like task for the day. The fall update did happen for Animal Crossing, so I did download that and play that for a little bit, and then we got North for dinner, and then I did bake a cake to take to my in-laws the next day, and I did take a bath on Thursday. And I forgot to mention that I totally meant whenever I was pulling my stickers to like consider the icons, because I wanted to use some black and some bonfire icons from the foil bundle, but I totally forgot, and I was so bummed, because I think that's like one of the like most fun things about like foil bundles is like adding a couple icons in there to like add extra foil bits, because obviously like these fun foils, like they're just so good. I feel very phlegmy. On Thursday, I put in that I went to work to print labels, and then we went around, me, Nick, and Theo, while Theo was napping, we walked around the Domain in the morning and just kind of like enjoyed the nice weather. Then we did get San Francisco Bakery. I think we actually ate it in the car there. Usually we just bring it home and eat it, but we ate in the car there because Nick was like so excited to be getting his favorite sandwich place. Then we picked up Bennett, and I played some Animal Crossing, and then in the evening, Nick and I did start our spooky movie kind of thing. We've only actually watched, I think, 4 or 5 scary movies so far. Not scary. I don't watch scary movies. But we only watched a couple so far, but Coraline was the one that we wanted to do first. On Friday, I put in that we had a rough night because Theo for a while was waking up like 2 or 3 times, which is hilarious to think that like that is a rough night for him, because I remember Bennett like really like never slept more than like an hour or 2 until he was like 1.5. So I don't know how I did it, because even now, like waking up 2 or 3 times, I'm like, why? I just want my sleep. Then we did go to Starbucks, and then we went, before the Round Rock outlets opened, we went and walked around, and it's so nice. Like I like going on walks in the neighborhood, but like going on walks where you can kind of like look in windows and stuff is just like a little bit more fun in my opinion, especially whenever no one's there because they're not open. And this day we decided, because Bennett has a doctor's appointment, which is I think his first one since the pandemic, or since, like masks are a thing. So we wanted to kind of test out the mask situation, see if he would wear one or not. And I had like pretty good money on the fact that he was not going to like wearing a mask, because he at this point was 2. He's 3 now, which is totally wild. And he never even likes being in a stroller. So I was so proud of him that he kept his mask on. He did not touch his mask. He's just such a big boy, and it made me like want to cry. So that was super fun. And then we did get Panera on the way home, which I love Panera. And I love Panera because it has a drive-thru. And I also love Panera because of like the Sierra turkey. It is such a good sandwich. And then that barbecue salad that I get, and their chicken noodle soup. And honestly, it's the cutest thing ever, because Bennett, we used to get him macaroni and cheese there, but ever since he saw like how I eat chicken noodle soup, I like take the baguette and like rip it, and then I like dunk it in the soup and eat the baguette. Bennett does the same thing, and I don't know what it is about his little 3-year-old self taking a baguette and ripping it and dipping it into soup and eating soup that way, but it melts my whole entire heart. Then we did watch Lion King this day, and I figured because he was super into the animal type movies that he would probably really be into the new Lion King, which he was like, that lion's talking, mommy, and I'm like, yeah, and I was like just loving every second of it. Then I did take a bath with Bennett. He was like super excited to take a bath for some reason. Because I think I'd gotten my Lush stuff in, and I ordered a couple of the pumpkin ones for him, and he thought they were so funny, so he was really excited to take a bath. We watched the Double Shot reunion tell-all, I don't know what they call it, but we love our Double Shot. And then we watched Corpse Bride this night, which I feel like Corpse Bride is really boring, I'm not gonna lie. It's not my favorite. It's not even on the, like, I really like it. I probably wouldn't watch it again. I'll watch it again probably whenever, like, we do this, like, when Bennett's old enough to, like, watch movies. I'll probably watch it then, and then kind of be like, I'm good for the rest of my life. And just, I don't know, I feel like especially after Coraline's, like, Coraline's also not one of my favorite movies, but I think as far as, like, visually and, like, watching it, I'm, like, more entertained by, like, the different, like, elements going on, like, visually than Corpse Bride, and I don't know, it's just boring. Anyways, Saturday, Starbucks, and then I did run over to Hobby Lobby because I wanted to get some craft supplies to do some things with Bennett, kind of keep him entertained, and then I did get a Target pickup order on the way home, and then Bennett and I did do a lot of play this day, like a lot of play, so we did a lot of different crafts and stuff, and we did organize, actually, his craft bin, I think, this day. I'm pretty sure it was this day, but his craft bin was getting really, really, really out of hand, so I went ahead and organized that with him. We organized all of his markers and all of his crayons, all of his, different marker types too, and just it's really nice now and organized and not scary to like go into. We also did carve pumpkins on this day, which was really fun, and then we did take some fall pictures with those pumpkins. And then Nick and I did get queso from Chewy's in the evening, and we watched Pooh's Halloween Heffalump movie, which was really cute. Then on Sunday, we went to Starbucks, and I filmed and edited a bunch of videos. We did pack because, like I said, we were going on our little road trip. We got Wendy's on the way, and then I put in that whenever we got there, we got a place Otto's for curbside, which is like a German restaurant, which we love German food. And then we did get Clear River ice cream for dessert. And that is everything for this spread. I think it's super, super pretty, but let me go into the part where I'm actually talking. Okay, so this is everything for this week's spread. I think it turned out so cute. Honestly, this might end up being my favorite Halloween spread. I just think I don't really know what could top it. I love the like black and orange together. I think it looks so fun. So like I said, I am going to show you guys the weeks before, and I guess like the kind of the highlights this week. We watched a lot of Frozen, and also Baby Charlotte was born on this day, which is Marg Once More with Love's baby. Just a lot of like hanging out, cuddles, nothing really crazy, actually. Theo did say mum, mum, mum this day, which was super cute. And I did use 2 Plana Hannah quote box overlays because this one says, don't just fly, soar from Dumbo, which I thought was really cute because Marg likes like elephants, I guess, just more in general. And then I also did use this one that says, I'm so hungry I could eat a whole elephant from 101 Dalmatians, which I thought was really cute because Marg loves snacks. And I also used this one because Marg loves snacks, but I love this kit. It's an older kit, and I used the like baby box. I used some star items along with some Mickey heads because Marg also likes Mickey stuff. So I wanted to do a little baby spread. And then the week before I did use a Paper Muse crafts kit. I thought it was really, really cute. It is in the premium matte with the hollow foil. And this week, not a lot actually went on, I don't think. We decided that we were going to be going on our little, I guess, like road trip, I guess. And Jessica from Letters to Apollo stopped by this day, and I had a Chips Ahoy McFlurry on that day, and I helped Marg on her new kit format on this day, which was so fun. I baked a lot on this day. I made gray stuffed jello and sugar cookies. I watched the Emmys and sobbed. We went and got some Disney decor for Disney. Nothing like super wild. So that is everything for the past couple of weeks. But I hope that you guys like this week's spread, and hopefully I can get more into it in the following weeks and kind of get a little less rusty. And I'm sorry again for any noise in the background. That's what kids just, they do their own thing. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!